Alright guys, look at this. 55-point increase, he's in 600s already, 40-point increase, and then 20-point increase, 17 items deleted. Let's go ahead and look at all the accounts that are deleted. All the accounts are deleted, right? Yeah, so look. Deleted, 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 deleted. The account numbers to the left, we're not making this up. Right? There it is. How long did this file take?
This 2 weeks.
2 weeks, 100% of everything deleted. 2 weeks, everything deleted in 2 weeks. How can we prove this?
The last report is a week ago.
Okay, so look at the date. All right? Look at the date right there. It's April 21st. Wait, March 21st, and now today it is, when did we get this? On the 20th. So we disputed this. When did these disputes, when were they sent out?
This dispute is maybe around some months ago.
Okay. Yeah. Gotta hide this. Can't let you guys see this private stuff.
All the time.
Okay, these are our disputes right there. There's the proof. You can see the disputes. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, there we go. Yep. So you can just do the math yourself, all right? Yeah. 2 weeks ago, right there. Boom, that's the dispute letter. Boom. Okay, guys. See ya.